Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable call forwarding in Redmi 13C device. For this, all you guys have to do just go to call logs and then here we have three dot option. Just tap here and then click on settings. So guys, as you see that we have calling account option, just tap calling account and then you can see call forwarding here. So just click on call forwarding. Now you guys see it is processing. Okay, now after processing we have four options: always forward, forward when busy, when unanswered, and when unreachable. So if you want to set it for always forward, like if you want to set that if someone calls you it will be forward to someone always, so just click always forward and then enter the number here to which you want to forward. If you want to set to when busy, when you are busy, so just click here and then enter that number. Like same method we can use it in when unanswered and when unreachable. So guys, this is the method to which we can enable call forward in Redmi 13C device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.